Good morning and Sairam to all the students. Students, welcome back in your grammar session. So today in grammar session we are going to understand about the adverbs, its kinds and uses also. In our last grammar session we had covered about verbs, so it will help you to understand the adverbs also, because now you know everything about the adverbs. What is adverb? First of all, we are going to study the definition of the adverb, that what is adverb. Very simple and clear definition of adverb, that an adverb is a word that describes, everybody knows the meaning of describe, or gives more information about a verb. Sometimes an adjective, another adverb, or even the entire sentence. So basically what is adverb? A additional word which describe or gives more information about a verb. Verb, everybody knows that you can say the verbs are the action words. An adjective which describe the noun or pronoun, another verb, or sometimes the entire sentence. Adverb is a verb, we can say adverb is a word which comes from Latin word, and where add means in addition of the word. So here we have some simple and clear definition about adverb. Now, how will you recognize adverb, or what adverb satisfy? Adverbs usually answer the following questions like where, when, how often, the frequency of repetition, how long, how likely, to what degree. So usually these questions satisfied by uses of adverb. Like I told you, where, when, how often, how long, how likely. So I went to home, this satisfies the answer of where. We met yesterday, this satisfies the answer of yesterday. The turtle moves slowly. How does a turtle move? The turtle moves slowly, this satisfies the answer of how. Okay, how often is satisfied by sometimes it stops responding. And how long? She is staying with us temporarily, so it means she is not staying us for 2 or 3 years. So how likely? Surely, our team will surely will. To what degree is satisfied by the word adverb very. She was very pleased. So generally we can satisfy these questions with the uses of, or with the use of adverb. So now you can see the adverb are yesterday, slowly, sometimes, temporarily, surely, very. Okay, so these are some small examples of uses of adverb. Now, adverb also describes a verb. As I told you in the starting, in the definition, that adverb also describe verb, adjective, another verb, or entire sentence. So let's bifurcate the definition, and one by one let's see that in sentence. An adverb can describe a verb. So how it describe a verb? Everybody knows that run or runs is it's a verb. So she runs quickly. So the word quickly is a adverb, and quickly is describing a verb, that is run. An adverb, here we have an adverb, can describe an adjective. She is so beautiful. Here beautiful is a adjective. What is beautiful? Beautiful is an adjective. Here so is adverb. So here I am writing these adverb in first. This is quickly. Now it is so. So is describing an adjective. The next is an adverb can describe another adverb. Now, she smokes very rarely. Everybody knows that rarely is a adverb, but here adverb is describing adverb. Very is also adverb. The third point is also clear that adverb also describe adverb. And last, entire sentence, yes, an adverb can describe an entire sentence. Obviously, you don't have to come. Here there is no verb, adjectives, entire sentence that adverb is describing. So, we now know that adverb is described verb, adjective, another verb, another adverb, or entire sentence. By uses of these adverbs words, we described each and every sentence clearly. Okay, student? So, let's see the definition again. As it is written in the definition, an adverb is a word that describes the verb, adjective, another adverb, even the entire sentence. And the sentence examples are here. Okay. Now, how adverb formed? If you want to try, if you want to form the adverb, how it formed? So, there are simple and easy rules to form the adverb. First, in many cases but not always, adverb have the following form. If you are using an adjective, then generally you can add ly. Okay? With adjective, we can add ly to form a adverb. This is a general rule, but not always applicable. There are some you can say some different words in which we cannot add ly, but yes, general we can make adverb by adding ly in the adjective. Now, what is adjective? Quick. I'll show you here. We have quick, strange, dead, sudden, clever, brave, real. And by adding ly in all, we can make a adjective. So, what it become? Quick become quickly, strange become strangely, dead become deadly, sudden become suddenly, clever become cleverly, brave become bravely, and real become really. Okay? So, if you see, each adverb here in the sentence is ending with ly, 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 ly. So, yes, we can make adverb by adding ly in an adjective like quickly, strangely, deadly, suddenly, cleverly, bravely, really. So, by this way we can make or form an adverb. Here we have some more examples of forming of adverb. Now, as you see, in first we add ly. Now, we will see how we make adverb by using y. Okay? Now, happy and heavy. I am taking two words, happy and heavy. Now, what we will do? In happy and heavy, we cannot add ly. Okay? We cannot add ly, or we can say when an adjective ends with y, replace the y with I, then add ly. Now, okay, I am writing here. Always remember when an adjective ending with y. So, first step, what you have to do? You have to remove y and add I. Okay, now its spelling become HAPPI. Okay, HAPPI. Spelling is HAPPI. So, what you have to do now? Now, with this spelling, of HAPPI. Now add LY. So it become HAPPILY, happily. Remember, when anything is ending with Y, so what you have to do, you have to remove that Y and write I. Then afterwards add LY. This is the another way to make adverb by using an adjective. Okay, so now the next is when the adjective ends with an E. So how will you do? Like true, it TRUE. So what you have to do? Just remove E, add LY. Just remove E, add LY. Okay, so it becomes truly TRULY. So when it ends with Y, the rule is different. When it ends with E, the rule is different. Okay, student, but often we use some adverb like very, too, well, never, sometime and so forth, and we have different rules in grammar, so you have to see all the rules very carefully. So here, as I told you that firstly I told you how to add with using ly, then you have to remove or you have to substitute y with I, then add ly, then you have to remove e and add ly. So these three was the forms of the adverb, how to form a adverb with the help of an adjective. Now students, so in today's session I'll tell you about the types of adverb, but the explanation we'll do in our next session. So what are types of the adverb? Basically we have adverb of degree, adverb of manner, adverbs of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of duration and adverb of probability. So these are some types of the adverbs. I am repeating again: adverbs of degree, manner, place, time, frequency, duration, probability. And in our next session we are going to cover these types of adverbs and more information about adverbs. So meanwhile what you have to do, you have to learn the rules regarding adverb, try to do or solve whatever book exercise you have, if you have regarding adverb, try to solve that also, and if you want you can write these sentence examples in your rough notebook. Now along with this media I am sending you one worksheet, fill that worksheet and submit it online. Okay students, study at home and keep safe. Stay safe. Sai Ram.